Hey guys, so with another market update for today as well, Saudi Arabia earlier this week had announced that they're going to allow their stock market to be available to foreign investors, aka US retail investors like ourselves, to be able to purchase their stocks directly on their exchange, basically their version of the New York Stock Exchange called Tadawul. So, from what I'm reading in the article, we don't know what platforms it's going to be available on. I'm assuming it's going to be on most platforms, but there could be some regulations that comes into play, and it's going to be officially launched on February 1st. So definitely keep your head out. We don't know what the exact final decisions are going to be, but for the most part, it's going to be available to the general public. So yeah, one of the ways to do this is through iShares. As mentioned, they're a subsidiary of BlackRock that focuses on their equity positions. This ticker symbol is called KSA, and it oversees the MSCI, the index of Saudi Arabia. So, looking at the performance, one of the things that I do want to share here is the fact that yes, it did not do as anticipated. According to the 2025 performance, it was down minus 8%. So it's probably one of the reasons why. I'm sure there's other reasons that probably prompted them to make this change too. They are leading in certain areas. They're a little bit behind in big competitors like China and the USA, but they're not too far behind in terms of things like AI as well too. So if you want to jump in on this, this is one of the ways to do it. As mentioned, the original ticker symbol. So yeah, one of the better ways to also take advantage of this, as mentioned, is through the EEM fund, which is the emerging market funds. If you're not too bullish and you're not feeling too optimistic about it, or you just want to be decently diversified, this fund basically covers that. So one of the ways to do it is to basically go under a section called literature. So as you can see here, if I can get there, you're going to go under fact sheets, and then under fact sheets, you're going to open up the page, and then under here you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see a 3.29% holding in Saudi Arabia. So all in all, it just depends on how you feel about this. If you're bullish, you can go directly into the Saudi Arabia ETF before it actually happens. If not, you can just do the EEM fund to just be relatively diversified. Anyways, hope this helps. Just something for you guys to look into. Bye.